In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopee website to view and track your orders seamlessly. Whether you're waiting for that special package or just need to check on your latest purchase, these steps will assist you in easily accessing your order information. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once that's up and running, type in the website address shopee.com. If you're shopping from a specific country, make sure to use your country's Shopee URL like shopee.ph for the Philippines or shopee.sg for Singapore. This ensures you're on the right site for your region's products and services. Now that the website is open, it's time to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on Login. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials, which could be your phone number, email, and password. Alternatively, you can streamline this process by logging in via Facebook or Google if that's more convenient for you. Once logged in, you'll gain access to your personalized Shopee dashboard. Next, we'll navigate to the My Purchases section. Hover over your profile name located again at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu should appear, and from there, go ahead and click My Purchases. This section is the key to viewing a comprehensive list of everything you've ordered through Shopee. In the My Purchases area, you'll find your orders neatly categorized into different tabs. First, there's the To Pay tab. This is where you'll see all the orders that are currently awaiting payment. To Ship is the next on the list, showing orders that you've paid for and are awaiting the seller to dispatch. Moving further, the To Receive tab gives you insight into orders that have been shipped and are on their merry way to your doorstep. You'll also find a Completed tab listing out all the orders that have successfully made their way to you. Lastly, the Canceled, Return, and Refund tab, which allows you to view any orders that have been canceled or are under a refund process. If you're looking to track a specific order, it couldn't be simpler. Click on View Details next to the order you're interested in. This will lead you to a detailed page where you'll find a Track button. Clicking Track will provide you with logistics updates, offering insight into each step of the delivery journey, along with an estimated delivery time so you can plan accordingly. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and track your purchases on Shopee. With this knowledge, you'll never be left guessing about your online orders again. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.